Hi, this is Anna with Good to Go Gear. I'm back again going over our hurricane preps. Today we want to talk about our battery booster. This is the NOCO Boost X. It's the GBX155. This one is 4,250 amps. It's a 12 volt lithium battery booster or starter, and it is something we found just on Amazon. You can get this one right now. It's about $370. I know it's kind of expensive, but this one is enough power or juice to jumpstart large vehicles, diesel engines up to I believe 8 liters, or a gas engine up to 10 liters. You don't have to go that big. We just wanted to just cover all of our bases. You could get the GB150. It's on Amazon around $300 for 3,000 amps. They go down to GBX-155. It's around $250 for 2,500 amps. And there are other lower options, but they may not cover all vehicles. So you want to make sure that you get one that can power or reboost your battery if it were to die. This one we like to take on trips. The smaller ones are more compact. You could possibly keep them in your vehicle all the time. We choose not to, just because you might have extreme hot or cold. Batteries don't do well with that. Typically, we just take it, like I said, with us whenever we go on long trips or on vacation, just in case of an emergency. It comes with just this bag here, but you can buy the case for about $20 on Amazon. We choose to put it in there. It's a nice handle and keeps it safe. So that's an option as well. I was able to use this for a close relative whose car died, and her vehicle was parked in the garage where you couldn't get another vehicle to it to attach, like in normal, like another car to jumpstart it. So I was able just to carry this. It was easy to use. Only took a few minutes, only one try, and it's good to go. And it's spark proof or whatever, so it's really safe to use. And it's rechargeable itself, so you can plug it in, and it takes, I think it's less than 3 hours. You can charge it from empty, or in a pinch, if it was dead, you can just charge it for 5 minutes and then recharge completely complete battery. So that's really neat. This particular one, I think is just safe enough to travel with. If you wanted to fly with this, you could. And any of them lower than the 4,250 amps, it's safe to travel with. So that's good to know as well. Everything that you see here is what comes with it. You could plug it into your cigarette lighter. It has these USB ports, so this could be your backup portable battery thing. So if you wanted to recharge your cell phone, you could. If you want to recharge your tablet, you could, and that's a really cool feature. Also, it has a nice light. I think it's like 500 lumens. It's LED light. It has 7 modes that go through here. You just push the light button and it goes through all the modes, and even includes an SOS. So that's a really cool feature to have for an emergency as well. So I know it's kind of pricey, but I think it's well worth it, just for that peace of mind. It has multiple uses, and like I said, it's very easy, very safe. I really recommend it. Go ahead and check it out.